Hi everybody, welcome to the channel. It's good to have you here. If you're looking for tutorials on game design stuff or graphics or tutorials on effects, all sorts of Unreal tutorials, Substance Designer, you've come to the right place. And thanks for being here. So today I'm going to announce that we're going to start an Unreal Materials Mastery series. And in this series, we're going to go over creating some of these nice, really slick materials you can see here on the screen, kind of try to make a liminal space. These are pretty impressive materials, and we'll kind of go over which ones we're going to create and to make kind of a neat environment, more, clean, bright, shiny, more like liminal, for a different type of game. That'll be our first tutorial series. We'll go through this, and this will give you a good foundation for all sorts of different materials in Unreal and how to make them work and how to do things and just kind of get a really good solid base, because it is a good idea to start clean and get dirty. A lot of times people will start with like a really grungy texture and then just kind of layer grunge on top of grunge on top of grunge, and that'll look okay. But if you can start with a really good solid base and then you grunge the heck out of it, then you'll have materials that stand above everyone else's and definitely look more professional. So we're going to start with, like I said, I'm going to call this like slick materials or really high quality materials that we can get some nice reflections, can look pretty realistic, maybe even a little fancier than realistic, but can really make you go, ooh, that looks kind of nice. And then I'll actually go over some of the lighting and all of the different settings and engine settings when we get closer to the end of the series to show you how we kind of got to this point right here. So let's just take control of, we're in Unreal right now, obviously. You can see here, we just have this pretty nice, some shiny textures. We've got this ceiling texture up here. This is just like one of those foam tile ones with the plastic rails. You can see you get into the rails, they're pretty nice and cut there. We have these ceramic tiles here along the walls. You can see when we get in pretty close here how cut in and how very accurate all of it is. Now this is using parallax occlusion mapping, which we're going to go over to make some of these tiles bump out. And then we can come down here. We're going to do this marble floor tile. We'll get that one done. And then if we kind of come over here, there's a stainless steel that we have on the elevator here. And we're going to work on that material too. And then you can see here's a carpet down here. And I'll take you over to the other side too. We'll just kind of walk around here. You can see the nice reflections and all the nice effects. And I'll show you all the settings to kind of get yourself to this point where you have this really nice clean rendering. And we'll go over the emissives in the lights in a future tutorial, and we'll go through all of that. So if we'll go just down here, and we'll show you the carpet kind of on a bigger floor. And here's your carpet on a bigger floor. So you can kind of zoom in, and you can see the fibers of the carpet. And again, here's the tile for the walls. And then up here, we have our ceiling tiles by the lights. And then we have our nice marble floor here on the bottom. And we're going to cover each and every one of these different materials. And we'll take you through Substance Designer and then into Unreal. And some of them will need Substance Designer, some of them won't. And we'll kind of go through that. Now, if you're wondering how to make a world like this, this is just set up with, I'll show you here if I click on this. This is just set up with, these are 10 foot by 10 foot squares. See? 10 foot by 10 foot, 10 foot by 10 foot. You could actually move one out if you want. See, there it is. Da-da-da. And so these materials are made, they're 2048 by 2048, and they're made to fit on these 10 foot by 10 foot square blocks here. And you can see, let me take you over to like maybe a corner too. And you can see here, let's delete this out. You can see here, this corner here has this edge here, so they both match up. So these two will match up to that corner. So the interior of this wall could also be used in the future, like if you wanted to light the inside of the room. And if you want to know how I created these pieces here, I do have a tutorial that goes over the creation of these kind of meshes. And you don't even need to use modeling software. You can just use the Unreal Engine itself to do the modeling. I will link whichever one that is in the description. So if you want to be able to make these blocks, what they are is basically they're 10 foot by 10 foot, but let me give you the centimeters. They're 300 by 300 centimeters and then 20 centimeters deep. So if you kind of pull it out, you can kind of see 20 deep and then 300 by 300. So these materials are meant to take up that 10 foot by approximately 10 foot by 10 foot space, right? So this is just kind of a primer video, kind of going over, eventually we'll go over the lighting, we'll go over these emissives too, and some hang-ups, and we'll go over reflections and how to make your reflections look good and not, have those shimmering, goofy effects that Lumen is known for. And what we're trying to do here is make kind of this relatively realistic environment. So I think the first material we're going to start with is going to be this nice ceramic tiles one. And the one thing that I like about this is you have these different bevels and this really clear cut, on your material here to keep it really nice. And you can have it kind of bump out with the parallax effect where it's coming out of the wall there. So that's probably going to be the first one we're going to do. And hopefully this series, and by the end of it, you should be able to make this whole environment here. So say maybe you wanted to make a really cool puzzle liminal game with some really fancy looking graphics. This could get you started with that and would be a great way to get you into the material creation process and the graphic process in the Unreal Engine. So here are some of the materials we're going to walk through down here on the bottom. All pretty straightforward, all pretty easy. And then once we're done with that, we'll take this same type of environment and then we'll fill it up with more grungy material. So we'll take you from this really fancy, shiny, pleasing looking environment to kind of a dark, dirty, and grungy environment using the same block system. But that's a ways away. First, we're going to work on the materials for this one. So I just wanted to introduce the series. I want to say thank you guys for being here. I am pushing to hit 1,000 subscribers now. We're pretty small still. And it would be great if you could like, subscribe. If you're interested, I've got a large assortment of other tutorials on this channel that cover a wide variety of topics. And if you could give them a watch, give me a like, subscribe. All of that helps me get some traction for the future. And I really appreciate each and every one of you. And I hope you have a great day. And I'll see you later with the first material in this material series. Thank you very much. Have a good one.